Okay, I'm going to continue with this drawing, and let's go. This is my water closet, back-to-back water closet. So what I'm going to have to do is create the same type of fitting for my water closets. So let's look at these two water closets, and let's go to the section view here and right click and go to that view. Let's get that reference again so we can go here. Yeah, okay. So what I'm looking at, I'm going to turn off my water, hot and cold water. Okay. So that's, these two are lined up. Let's go here and see what's going on. So the visibility, I'm going to turn off cold water, and I'm going to turn on the building sanitary vent. So we are here, okay? And just for fun, let's turn on the structure. I think, let's look at the architecture also. So you see the structure has the pipe going through a beam, and as long as it's within the middle third, then it's okay. Everything else, I think the contractor can do the rest of this. Let's go down. Oh boy, we are having fun now. Ah, yes. Let's do this. Let's go back. And what I want to do is, I think that I want to wireframe so that I can see the two fittings. And what I want to do, I want to modify and split this, because I want to, I'm just going to click it there and go back, because I'm going to do the same. I'm going to use a double, what is it called? It is a wire combination and eighth bend double. Okay, so I'm going to right click and create similar, and go down. It's going to go right there. Up. Okay, let's go up. Move this out of the way. And to do this, let's go here and turn off my other links so that we can see what the heck is going on. And I'm gonna extend this out so we can see. So what I'm gonna need to do is bring this fitting up and align it with my two water closets, but I need a little bit of space going up, and so that should be good enough. And that's the reason I made that. Let's go back. I don't know what happened with that, why that did that. Maybe if I turn off, I'm going to turn off the plumbing. So I'll type PL, come back down, look at the fixture. Oh man, go back. And we have that one. So now I can align this pipe with that pipe. And we go align here and there. So everything looks good, and it's lined up in the, say, the vertical, and this would be the horizontal. So everything is lined up, okay? I'm going to go back to the roof plan. There's different ways you can do it. You don't have to do it this way, but I like to do it this way because it's fun. Oh man, let's go here and do the same thing. I'm going to fill it here and fill it there, and get a little bit of this guy and move, draw my pipe up to there. So everything looks good. Okay, let's turn on the PL plumbing fixtures again so we can see what we're doing. And we can go here and look at it realistic. Okay, so we have that, and we can go here and just to see what's going on. We have everything in order, it looks like. Everything is in order, so what we have to do now, let's go back. Now I'm going to have to route my pipe down. So this is on the roof, and we have to go down in this wall. Let's look at this section view here. Let's rotate here counterclockwise. Okay, 90 degrees. We're going to go like this. And I think maybe what I should do is look at, I'm going to turn this on. And let's take a look at, you see, there's the beam. This beam here is the same. I can go back and turn on the structure. Let's turn on the structure. Here, see, that's the same beam. Okay, so let's undo that and go back to my section view. And that's the wall that I'm going to go down. Go here, here, and let's just move this guy over. Okay, maybe it could be a thicker wall. I think that might be a 3 5/8 inch. So I want to find out what kind of wall this is. So I'm going to unpin the link so we can see this 4 7/8 inch interior wall. Okay. So I think I have room. So that's going to go down. So now I think that we have our plumbing, our sanitary. So what's needed next is going to be the vent connection. And the vent connection, I can use these two as a common vent. I'll use these two floor drains, and I'll use all of this is going to be all common vent. So I'm not going to put too much time into it, okay? Because what we're looking for, this is what we're looking for when we get ready to plot, is this and that. So when we get ready to plot, kind of looks like AutoCAD. So when we get ready to plot, then it looks like that. So I usually don't connect the vent. You can if you want to. It's your choice. It's your choice. So I think that let's go pipe. So if I go PI and I go PVC, let's go here. Can I change here? Nope. Let's do this. I'm going to use this. There's a lot of ways. You don't have to do it this way, but I like to do it like this when it's convenient. I'm just going to change the system type to a vent. And it's going to be that guy. So now that's my vent. And let's look at it again. It's going to go hidden and make sure that it looks like something that AutoCAD would look like, right? So we have that, and let's do this. Create similar, and I'm going to go 45 degrees here. Now yours how you're gonna do it is gonna be different. But let's change this. I want to go 9. I'm just gonna put a 9 here so that when I look at it, let's erase this guy. So when I look at it in the ceiling, let's make sure that the vent is on so I don't panic. Yeah, the vent is on, okay? So I don't see it, and the reason I don't see it is because my view is not showing, okay, the section box. So there it is, and it's the same vent. So what I'm gonna do on this end is bring it down. Let's see, let's pull it over a little bit. Maybe put it about right there. It doesn't have to be, doesn't have to be exact, you know. So that's 9, so I'm gonna change that 9 to a 5, okay? And do apply, and it's like that. And what I'm gonna do is go here and use it for the floor drain and the 2 water closets. But that vent has to be a 2-inch, okay? And it's in the ceiling. Let's turn this off. And it's in the ceiling. What I can do, let me erase this and copy here, copy multiple, go up here. That's going to be for the floor drain, and that's going to be for the 2 lavatories. Just get it close enough. You don't put a lot of, I'm just going to go down a little bit here. Okay, and we are going to draw a pipe this way. Okay, let's bring this down so it's not going to interfere. The same here, so it's not going to interfere. And how you do yours is going to be different. You might want to bring yours over to this side, okay? But you have to know what's going on below and above before you start doing your vent system. You have to look at the drawing and see where things are, the walls and other types of I would say structures, mechanical equipment, electrical, and the rest. So this is going to go about right here. Having looked at the drawing, I know that that's going to be my riser. And from here, what I can do is connect. Okay. And the same here, I'm going to connect. Here, I'm going to draw a pipe, and it's going to go up. I like to use a large number. Here, I'll use 20 feet. Okay, go back and apply, and we have our vent riser. Have our vent. Let's do this. Let's synchronize. Yours is going to be different. This is just a demonstration of how things work. Let's look at this. And so this is our system, okay? This is how it looks. Nothing too fancy. I could connect the vent to, I think this here's the vent system here, okay? That's the vent. Let's go back. And these fixtures have the vent connector, but it's too much. Let's go back. It's too much. Rotate, place here. Okay. Well, what I can do, I think it's See, the vent is here, right? Let's go here. Oh, here, PVC, yeah, see? That's the system type vent. Okay, you can come out to here. And that's the vent that's connected with this water closet. So you can go in and attach connectors to your plumbing fixtures. That's the sanitary, that's the cold water, and that's the vent. Okay, so it's up to you. It's your choice. No, depending on your office standard. Let's just do this. Okay, that's fine. And we have that. So we have our vent going up and our sanitary going down, just like this is coming up from below. There should be some kind of vent to roof. I guess that's okay. Usually there might be text that says, and capitalize, that's capital. No, I'm not going to capitalize. This is just a demonstration. It don't have to be perfect. So yours is going to be, and usually there's a nomenclature that says from below FB. You might see that. Or you might see something like from above. Usually they are in capital letters, okay? But I'm not going to do that because it's not necessary for this demonstration. So we have that, but you do need to lay out you need a roadmap. You know, all drawings need some type of a roadmap for someone who's looking at the drawing, okay? Because if I just left it like this, nobody knows what it's doing. So what I usually do is come over and define things by category. I want to tag this by category, okay? And this is what AutoCAD, this is what Revit does, okay? So it's here. I want a free end leader, and we're here. Let's go here, and we can go here, okay? So that's that. That's a 3-inch sanitary sewer, and I want to let's create similar here. That's a vent, but we want to change that. And you can create your own tags, okay? So I'm sure there are other videos out there how you can create your tag. And this is riser tag, but I'm going to change this to sanitary sewer. And we're going to go back. Let's go here, sanitary sewer. And it's going to be the RD5. The R is for the roof, and D5 is how I define these grid lines, okay? This is probably a D, okay? And this is going to be a 5. So that's how this system is set up. And we're going to say text. Have it capitalized. And let's go DN for down. Okay. So we have that. So next, I can just leave it like that. I'm not going to worry about lining it up. Let's create another similar. And we're going to identify this vent to roof. Okay. So that looks okay. Let's go here. Let's tag by category. Free end. So that's my 2-inch vent. And it's going to be, I can copy this vent to roof. Let's go up. And it's going to be here. Kind of just however your office standard is. I'm just going to put it here. Move this guy over here so that whoever is reading this drawing can know that that's a 2-inch vent. It's on the roof, okay? And it's a vent to roof. so somebody knows what's going on, okay? And you can go in and you can tag by category. Let's take the leader off, and that's a clinic sink. This is a clinic sink. I have a floor drain here, water closet, WC1, WC2. And the way I'm doing this, if you go back, because it looks like I'm going to need to identify these two floor drains. So I can go back and look at my water closet and see down here, okay, it's a type mark. Okay, so we go back to our floor drain and look at the type mark. It says a floor drain, okay, so I should be able to pick that up. Let's create similar. Oh, there it is. It was just kind of hidden there. Okay, and that's the floor drain. Okay, so we've done that, and that's all I have for today. I hope that helped, guys, and I will talk to you guys later.